Ever wonder how some people seem to get good at everything? Guitar, chess, coding, languages, like it's nothing? Here's the secret. It's not talent. It's strategy. And today, I'm giving you 4 steps to learn any skill stupid fast. Step 1. Pick the right skill. This is where most people mess up before they even start. Don't pick a skill just because it sounds cool. Pick one that actually excites you. If you don't like talking to people, learning Spanish won't stick. If you're not into numbers, forcing yourself to learn coding won't work. The trick? Follow your curiosity. Try new things. But if a skill starts to feel like a chore, drop it. That's not quitting. That's strategy. Step 2. Focus ruthlessly. Multitasking kills momentum. If you're trying to learn 5 different skills at once, you're learning none. Instead, go all in. For a few weeks, make that skill your main thing. Cut out the noise, video games, binge watching, side hobbies, just for now. Why? Because fast progress is addicting. If you improve fast, you want to keep going. And when all your energy flows in one direction, results come way quicker. Step 3. Use the 80-20 rule. This step will change the game. Pareto's principle says that 20% of your effort gives you 80% of your results. Let's say you're learning guitar. You mess around with chords, jam with friends, write songs. Ask yourself, which one thing is giving you the most progress? Maybe it's practicing with others. Maybe it's just nailing your favorite songs. Whatever it is, double down on that. Cut the fluff. Focus on what actually works. That's how you get 5 times the results in half the time. Step 4. Join a tribe. Want to stay motivated? Don't do it alone. Join a Discord, a subreddit, a local group. Surround yourself with people who already live the skill you want to master. You'll pick up habits, motivation, and accountability just by being around them. Quick bonus tip: don't say, "I'm learning guitar." Say, "I'm a guitarist." Claim the identity. Your brain will work overtime to make it true. Remember, learning fast isn't magic. It's momentum, clarity, and smart practice. So pick your skill, go all in, cut the fluff, and find your people. Subscribe if you're building your mile 5, that turning point where you stop walking and start running.